Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the inbuilt fingerprint sensor on your Nothing Phone 1. So Nothing Phone 1 has come out with the inbuilt fingerprint. With that, you can lock your device and you can make it more secure or more protective just by locking it up. If you set it up for the first time, don't worry, just go ahead and keep on watching this video and follow our instruction to set it up pretty quickly. First, all you gotta do, you gotta just open up your settings on your device there, and now you want to scroll down and you want to just check out your security options. Tap in there, and once you come over there, if you scroll down there, you're going to be able to see the first one called screen lock. If you tap in there, this is going to show you how many screen lock you can use on your phone. It's none, swipe, pattern, pin, and password. If you go one step back here, you're going to be able to see the fingerprint. If you tap on there, now it's going to show you three different options. First, fingerprint plus pattern, fingerprint plus pin, fingerprint with the password. So I'm going to just go ahead and choose the pattern, which is pretty convenient for most people. So I'll just go ahead and draw a simple pattern for this video, and I'll tap on next, and I'll do the same pattern again, and I'll tap on confirm. It's just how do you want to just lock screen to display. So you can say show all notification content. It says show sensitive content only when unlocked. So I'll just tap don't show notification at all for me. I'll tap on done. Alright, now it's just set up with the fingerprint to unlock. So just go ahead and tap on setup here, and now you have to just tap and hold the fingerprint sensor. So it says hold to start. Just go ahead and use your thumb or any finger that you use. So I'll just go ahead and choose my thumb here, and I'll tap and hold to start it. Well, it's taking my finger's footprint, so let's go ahead and keep it going. Unless it says place your edge of your finger. So I'll just gotta do this one right here. So I'll just go ahead and put it right there. And now it's taking all the corner here. Okay, once it's added, go ahead and tap on done here. Alright guys, now we have already added our one finger to our Nothing Phone 1, so you can add up to 5 and more. You can literally use the way you like. Also, you can tap on this option called show fingerprint icon if you like it. So I'll just go ahead and toggle this on here. Now if I get out of here and lock my phone, and if I just try to unlock it, now this is going to show me this, okay? So I'll just go ahead and tap and hold it here, and it's going to be open up just like that. So let me do it again. Alright guys, so this is how you guys can use the inbuilt fingerprint sensor as a lock for your Nothing Phone 1. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video guys, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.